Did you know that a single pair of eyewear can generate hundreds of millions in revenue? Today, we break down exactly why Tom Ford glasses are the global standard for sophisticated luxury. When we think of modern luxury, Tom Ford stands as the paragon that marries impeccable craftsmanship with undeniable style. Unlike generic fashion accessories, these frames are engineered for a specific aesthetic of power and elegance. Let's look at the numbers. According to Business of Fashion, this brand generates over $500 million in annual revenue. This massive figure proves that Tom Ford is not just a trend, but an economic force in high-end eyewear. The secret lies in precision meets presence. Each frame utilized in precision meets presence. Luxury materials crafted specifically to elevate the everyday look of executives, celebrities, and fashion connoisseurs worldwide. Whether you choose the minimal TF6040 or the bold TF62040, every pair reflects a unique design language. Crucially, they often integrate ZISS lenses, offering superior clarity and optional blue light filtering for today's digital lifestyle. This balance allows the brand to capture both sophistication and allure. From sleek daily drivers to statement sunglasses, the collection is designed to define personal style rather than just follow it. Ultimately, wearing Tom Ford is about projecting an identity of modern sophistication. It transforms a simple accessory into a powerful tool for self-expression in the global luxury market. So there you have it. Over $500 million in revenue proves that style is serious business. What specific Tom Ford frame do you think defines the ultimate modern silhouette? Let me know in the comments.